Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see one issue regarding App Store on your iPhone. And the issue is that whenever we try to open App Store, it says that App Store cannot connect. And there might be various reasons for this. Let's see in this video and try to fix it. So guys, first of all, understand this. This will be a network issue on your iPhone. So let's see how to fix it. First of all, do one thing. The first thing, go ahead and just enable and disable your aeroplane mode or flight mode on your iPhone. Just go ahead, go to setting or control center. Just enable, disable it, and let's see and try again. If not, the next thing. Always remember whenever there is an issue or a glitch on your iPhone, first of all, reboot your iPhone or restart. Just go ahead, turn off your iPhone and reboot it. Once you do it, try again. Any issues, any glitches, they might be get fixed or corrected after you reboot your iPhone. So let's try that again. Thirdly, check your network connection. It might be your mobile data or your Wi-Fi. Okay. Here, try using any one of them. If you enable both the network or your mobile network and Wi-Fi, first of all, disable Wi-Fi, try mobile network. Secondly, try Wi-Fi and disable mobile network. So try any one of them and you will come to know where is the issue exactly. Talking about mobile data here, the fourth point, that is check whether mobile data is disabled for the App Store. For this, do one thing, go to the settings and here open mobile data or cellular data. Once you open mobile data, scroll down and there are multiple applications given to you or shown to you. And here you will see App Store and make sure that the toggle is enabled on the App Store. That means mobile data is enabled for the App Store. Just make sure that. Next point, check is there any VPN enabled on your iPhone or any profile is installed on your iPhone. Do one thing for that, go to a setting application. There is a VPN. Check if it is enabled, disable that. And now check for a VPN profile. For that, do one thing, go to settings. In setting only, go to general and here scroll down and here is a VPN option given to you for a profile. Just go ahead and open that. Once you open that, here, if there is any VPN installed on your iPhone, just go ahead and delete the VPN profile for now and try after that. It might fix the issue for you. So, just try this. Sixth point is very important, just to make sure that Apple servers are okay and just to confirm there is no issue from the Apple server. For that, do one thing, go to the browser, just check for Apple system status. Okay, here go ahead, search for a website, open that, and if there is any issue with the server, Apple will update here. If there is an issue, you will come to know automatically. Next point is very important. That might not be a exact solution, but just to make sure for yourself, do one thing. Check if there are any restrictions on your iPhone for the App Store or network. For that, do one thing. Go to settings. In setting, go to screen time. And here scroll down and open content and privacy restrictions. Go ahead and tap on that. And here, whatever is linked or any topic linked to the App Store, just go ahead and check that and make sure that it is allowed or there is a permission given as a allow. Okay, don't disable anything and try that again. Lastly, this might be happening very rarely or might happen on your iPhone. Just go ahead and check for lockdown mode. For that, do one thing, go to settings. In settings, go to privacy option. And here there is an option, newly option, that is your lockdown mode. So if you enabled or turned on lockdown mode on your iPhone, there are various services, settings, apps are disabled on your App Store. And that might be a reason on your iPhone. If it is enabled, App Store might got affected due to this. So for a while, just disable that and try that again on your iPhone. And the last option I would recommend, that is reset your network settings. If your iPhone or your App Store cannot connect to the App Store or internet, there might be a network issue. So first of all, just go ahead and reset your network and come back to default network settings. For that, do one thing, go to settings. In setting, tap on general. In general, scroll down till the last and there is an option called transfer or reset iPhone. Open that and here just go ahead and tap on reset. Once you tap on reset, here is an option called reset network settings. Just go ahead and tap on that. enter your passcode, automatically all the network setting on your iPhone will be resetted or get back to the default mode. So guys, that's it. I tried to give you all possible solutions from my side. I hope anyone, at least one of them, will fix your issue. If yes, let me know in the comment below. Also, if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.